We're looking at UAV data and UAV information and how we can help the clients. So we're not just selling the unit, we train people on it. At UKKO, our specialty is UAVs and UAV data. If somebody comes to us, that's what we know. So we're not just selling the unit, we train people on it. It's the whole bit to get them to the data, export the data afterwards. So from the first day where they get the unit, to get the training, to get the information, what they need from a legal perspective, how to cover themselves, to all the way to the software when they're using it, putting that project together to the end of exporting that. You know, it's not about selling spatial information or so on. It's more like how can we help our clients to collect that information best. What we're amazed is with the units that we have right now is that, you know, they're very small, very practical to go out quickly, collect that information and have it collected in a very simple way. But then if you want to go to other products like LiDAR or if it's large products, there is other solutions that we try to look at and say, look, where can we fit in and what can we not do and tell the client and help the client that way. An example would be in construction that you have a certain amount of topsoil or gravel or fill material on one side of the highway, and they're closing the highway or the access from one side to the other during construction, and have to know this is the amount we need over here. Do we have enough material over here, or do we have to move some over beforehand? With the UAV, they can, in a fraction of the time, can collect that data and bring it back to their office and have more data points in a quick time. Now I see that there is an endless opportunity for pretty well any industry out there to use this to get information very, very quickly and very accurately. In a gravel pit, you know, gravel is sold in weight or volume, so they looked at how much product they sold based on volume rather than just truckloads. They just look at, okay, this is how much we took out. So we're not hiring salespeople. Everybody in our group kind of helps each other to help the client best. So when we get a phone call, it is looking for a solution.